Well, you finally did it. You always dreamed of that Roadster, and here you go. You got that Pontiac Solstice, or maybe a Saturn Sky. You just got it home, and you've got no clue how to get this top down. So what you're gonna wanna do first is, on your key fob, you're gonna see the trunk release. You're gonna hit that once. It's gonna release the back of the top. And then you're gonna hit it again. And when you hit it the second time, you're gonna wanna be pulling up on the top. All right, so that's where the top's gonna go. Get in the car. It's pretty self-explanatory in here. You got one, well maybe not, but some are more complicated. So you got one main latch here. Flip it counterclockwise. Then the only tricky thing is if the top hasn't been off or down, maybe in a winter, or maybe the car's been sitting for a while, which most of the ones I find are like this, these are stuck. So you're gonna wanna, on this bar here, tap backwards, and then it's gonna release. Get out. And then the center pickup, that's just gonna fold right down in the trunk. Takes a little bit of work. You gotta get each corner down in there. And if it's been a while, it's gonna be stiff. So just shut the top. When you shut the top, you gotta make sure it latches. It takes a little bit of force. So, and we just got this one, and these always have this issue. And I'm gonna do another video on how to get that off, but it's a little more intensive. So, all right, that's how you get your top down.